My name is Sayyid Haider. I'm from Star News, Pakistan. My question regarding the selection of the team, many people, they were talking about the selection that Ishan Kishan, he has played very well in the warm-up matches. So do you think that it's a mistake, Ishan Kishan, if he could play and then he can do better than Rohit Sharma?
Next question.
It's a very brave question. What do you think, sir? What do you think the
you,
team?
sir.
No,
I'm
please.
asking you, sir.
I played the team that I thought was the best. What is your opinion?
No, I'm just asking you.
Will you drop
I'm
Rohit
not,
Sharma
I'm not
from-
going to comment you.
From T20 internationals? Will you drop Rohit Sharma?
No.
You know what he did in the last
question,
game that we
please.
played. Yeah? Unbelievable. So if you want controversy, please tell me before, so I can answer accordingly.
Hi, Virat. I'm Sabira Pasha. I wanted to ask you, was India a bit overconfident against Pakistan? Because obviously the track record tells that India has been winning across the ICC events. So was it like India was not more concentrated on the Pakistan match and they were concentrating on the other matches, those were coming up?
You know, it's amazing what realities and what ideas people have on the outside. I just wish they could put on our cricket kit and actually walk into the field and understand what pressure is. You don't go out there to take anything lightly, especially a team like Pakistan who on their day can beat anyone in the world. This is a game that has to be respected, and we are a team that definitely respects the game, and we do not think that winning one game is the end of the world, and no other team should think that. This is a very big game. Cricket is beyond and above anyone else, any individual, and we definitely respect the game. We never take any opposition lightly. Neither do we differentiate between oppositions. That's how we play our cricket. On the day, if we haven't played good, we accept it, and we give credit to the opposition as well. We don't create any other scenarios other than knowing what went wrong and trying to correct that and move forward in a positive manner.
Hello Virat, this is Jamil Hassan from Star Asia News, Pakistan. Did Pakistan outclass India in bowling unit or in batting? If in batting, did you expect that Pakistan will chase in by 10 wickets? Did you ever expect?
They definitely outplayed us. There is no doubt about that. You don't win by 10 wickets if you don't outplay the opposition. We did not even get any chances. I mean, they were very professional, and look, you definitely have to give them credit. We tried our best. We tried to create enough pressure on them, but they had the answers, and there is no shame in accepting that a team played better than you. And as I said, when you step onto the field as 11 players from either side, you have an equal opportunity to win the game. And there's no guarantees that you're going to go out there and win every match. But having said that, you also don't go out there being casual, right? So we tried our best. We made a decent total out of our situation, we thought. And we thought we could put them under pressure. But they did not let us come into the game at any stage. And they definitely deserve the credit for finishing off the game very strongly and not allowing us to put any pressure on them through the innings.